Watch your face. That's all I'm saying. And I think a little bit more thinner than you have now, right? And then I'll come back with a body filler, fill that, sand it.
Hello and welcome back to Building Wilda. On last episode we sprayed the forward deck lockers with the first coat of primer, and as we were getting ready to spray the cockpit floor as well, the machine died on us. That was the airless spray pump. That was not the end, it was just a new beginning. We remember that not long ago we had bought another little electric sprayer that was meant to be used on the hatches and some smaller surfaces. However, we decided to give it a try and paint the top coat on those lockers. So, in this week's episode, we are going to move forward with more painting. Stay tuned!
Are you talking to yourself?
Myself or to you, whoever wants to listen. Sometimes nobody listens.
So what are you doing up there?
I'm trying to arrange a fan for myself because it's really hot.
So what Rox was trying to say was that she's going to be painting today, so and top coat in our forward lockers, and trying out this electric paint sprayer thingy. That way, but well, that may or may not work, and probably won't work for very long. But it'll probably do the job decent for lockers. It's gonna be fine. Rox is getting ready to spray here. Don't go inside. Well, you can try, but you'll get too close and you'll get the spray in your face and the thinners and everything. Well, try if you need to.
Yeah, I think so, but you'll try. With the machine, but you try. Yeah, and your face.
Well, watch your face. That's all I'm saying. So, about a little bit more than half a liter of paint per locker.
But I don't think it's the best coverage.
No.
It's okay, but
It's okay.
It takes more.
But again, a hell of a lot faster than brush and road.
Yeah.
And better result.
Yeah.
For as long as the machines last, we've learned.
Yeah,
But
and that
that's
button
fine.
is scary.
Yes, but just remember you can pull it up. Pull the red bit out if it gets stuck.
And so, once I got started with it and got a hang of how the machine worked, it all went nice and well. Measure and mix paint, refill the container, and one locker at a time. In an hour or maybe a couple of hours, they were all complete. So we decided it was about time to finish the job left undone last time. That was spraying the pink floor in the cockpit and saying goodbye to that color once and for all.
I'll go mix.
Yeah.
Yeah?
But maybe don't use
I'll use the other bucket.
Yeah.
Yeah?
See if there's any difference.
Yeah. And I think a little bit more thinner than you have now, right? So this is how it turned out. There's a little bit of extra paint here and there, and a few bits of dried paint that were in the pot, I guess. But yeah, looks really good, I think. It makes a big difference not being pink anymore. So now I'm trying to find the final little spots that I want to fill before final sanding and actually top coat. So you could go on with this for forever, or you can choose when to stop. I'll do one final round here, and then I'll stop. And that's going to be plenty good enough, I'm sure. So I'm marking holes with little bits of tape, and then I'll come back with a body filler, fill that, sand it, and then clean this whole space. See where we're at.
We think that usually it is really fun to watch a paint transformation video, but we've already shown quite a bit of that lately, so we think you might actually miss some of our sanding footage. If that's the case, don't worry, in this episode we've got you fixed. As we are getting closer to applying the top coat on the deck and outside of the hulls on the exterior of Wilda, we need to be making some more progress on the interior. We had already applied this high build white primer some time ago, so now it was about time to fill in the spots and any imperfections and sand it off to make it top coat ready.
So that was a little bit more filling than I thought. And if you ever if you're ever gonna build a boat like this, there is gonna be more filling than you could ever imagine. So I filled this place, and now I'll just sand it off once more, and that'll have to be it. I should put a little bit more filler in that corner. Other than that, I'm done with the filling.
it comes to the interior work, we are trying to follow the advice of our painter and focus on one room at a time. Bring it to a top coat ready condition, have it sprayed, and then seal it and move on to the next room. It is obviously a slow process. As you can see, we spend a lot of time and effort even on a small room such as this forward little bathroom. But we hope it will all eventually pay off.